Have you ever experienced the frustration of being logged out of Instagram unexpectedly? You're scrolling through your feed, liking posts, and suddenly, you're staring at the login screen. It's a common issue that leaves many users scratching their heads. So why does this happen? First and foremost, it could be a simple glitch or bug within the app. Instagram, like any other platform, is constantly updating to improve user experience. Sometimes these updates can lead to temporary issues, including unexpected logouts. If this is the case, a quick app update or reinstalling the app might just do the trick, restoring your access and getting you back to those adorable cat videos or stunning travel photos. Another possibility is related to your device settings. If you've recently changed your password or logged in from a different device, Instagram might log you out as a security measure. This is their way of keeping your account safe from unauthorized access. It's always a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Additionally, if you're using a public Wi-Fi network, your connection might be unstable, causing the app to log you out. Public networks can be a bit risky, and Instagram may be trying to protect your account from potential threats. If you suspect this is the issue, try switching to a more secure network. Lastly, if you're using multiple accounts on the same device, this can sometimes lead to confusion within the app, resulting in unexpected logouts. Keeping your accounts organized and using them one at a time can help alleviate this. So, the next time Instagram logs you out, remember, it could be a simple glitch, security measures, network issues, or account confusion. Stay patient, and you'll be back to sharing and connecting in no time. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.